What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over Rep USD. So this is Auger, and what we're going to be doing is going on the monthly time frame and just identifying critical areas of structure relative to where price is at or it could potentially be going. And as always, before we get started, I want you guys to do one thing, and that is like this idea. Not only to support me, but it actually helps others because it ranks these videos a little bit higher, pushes it onto their feed. So do me and everyone else a favor, like these ideas. And what we can do is just get straight into it. So what I like to do is pull out the relative areas of support and resistance relative to where price is at, where it could potentially be going. And like always, what we're going to be doing is overlaying our Fibonacci's on top of them to see which ones are actually relevant. Now, for me, on this one, we can see an impulsive pattern to the upside one, and we've already broken up the previous two areas of structure, three technically. So right now we're looking for bullish entries, obviously, and right now what we're wanting to see is the most optimal zone for us to actually enter. So what we're going to do is overlay this fib here, and we can see that we actually are touching a 61 fib retracement, which for me is typically a very strong fib zone for us to be respecting. And then from there, that's pretty much it. If you want to be more accurate, obviously, we always want to use the magnet tools. And just real quick, I want to come back here. So basically, this is another potential zone of support for us. So what I'll do is I'll mark that one out as well. We'll actually delete these. We can delete this now. One more Fibonacci, sorry. Yeah. So basically what we have here is we have a 61% fib, 61% fib structure. This is going to be monthly. I like using the monthly time frames because the higher the time frame, the more significant the structure is going to be. And then the next one is going to be the 78. So basically what we're saying here is we've already came up and we've already had a retracement to here. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we'll probably be able to see that a little bit better. And right now we're testing that previous area of structural support as resistance. So, sorry, other way around, resistance as support. So what that means for us is we can be looking at this as a buying opportunity for us. And where would our target be? Well, we just need to look towards our extension tools to better understand our target points. Now, with these, I want to keep in mind that we are in a extremely bullish market. So it might be a little bit ridiculous for me to believe because I'm coming from a Forex background. However, we could have a take profit all the way up towards our, oh, that's not even the right one. That's how crazy this is. TP2, and that's going to be the 361 extension. 361 extension. If you guys are trading, take profits are important. If you guys are investing, probably don't care too much. You're looking more long-term on this anyways. But for all of our traders, what we're going to say is TP1 could be our 127 extension. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be waiting for a retest here coming up towards our 121 extension. We're going to be giving ourselves some room to breathe. However, this one actually has room to grow because if we look at the market cap of this, I believe it's around 361 million, which means it still has rooms to grow to get to $1 billion. which means if it does 3x, it would only be at $1 billion. In comparison to a lot of these other coins that are, close to reaching towards the 100 billion marks, this one actually has the fundamental legs from a market cap perspective to actually grow to that level. So that's why if we make it towards here, nearing the $100 mark, we might see some sort of resistance because people like those round numbers. And we can see here previously that was an area where we saw some resistance. So this one actually had legs to come up towards that area. And right now, all we need to do is just wait for a confirmation, but we're pretty much ready to go on this particular trade as well. So I'm just going to leave this here for you guys. And if we don't respect this as support, the next critical area of structure that we're going to be testing is going to be this 78% zone. So the 78 fib. Anyways, guys, when we actually come up towards this take profit area, all we're going to be doing is assessing the charts. So we're not going to be predictive. We're not going to be irrational. If it's giving us reversal signs, what we're going to do is we're just going to take profit. No one went broke taking profit, especially if you guys are in the green for a lot of money. There's no need to be greedy. I think trader psychology is extremely important for these new people coming into cryptos. So take that into consideration if you guys are in the green. Don't feel greedy and don't feel bad for taking profit and seeing that it comes up towards this level right here. Sure, you could have made money, but at the same time, sure, you can lose money if you just hold on and it comes back down. That's why it's important to have proper risk management, guys, and good trader psychology. No need to be greedy. Sell on cheer, buy on fear, right? Let's do the Buffett rule. And anyways, this is a quick update on this, guys. Also, we could be seeing some potential resistance right here at the 45 zone, just because that's been a previous area of support and structure for us in the past. So take that into consideration. However, it does look like we could be seeing a confirmation within the next couple of hours or days. Let's take a look at the daily real quick. Yeah, basically all we need to do is come down here for an entry so we could have a buy limit. So hopefully we can hit that buy limit. However, you guys can buy it now because those risk to reward parameters are insane. Like I said, you could have the shittiest strategy in the world, and if you have good risk reward ratio, anything above a 1, 2, 3, you can still be winning at a 70% losing strategy. So even if you're terrible and you have like a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, you can literally lose like almost all your trades and still be profitable. That's important. That's why I stress risk management. That's why I stress trader psychology, guys. That's why I'm thinking about doing videos on YouTube. Let me know what you guys think. I could do these in greater detail. Like I said in the previous video, been in crypto since 2014. Did a tech talk on blockchain in 2018. So it is likely that I know a thing or two about this. I don't know what you guys think. But taking over my Forex, 6 years of Forex technical analysis skills and placing it onto cryptos for you guys as well. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to shoot me a message, comment on this video down below saying that you want me to see those, videos. Comment other pairs you want me to cover like this so other people can see it, rank it higher, and I'll see you guys in the next one.